We spend a third of our lives sleeping. Quality sleep is vital for health, mood, and mental activity. Healthy sleep requires 8 hours daily and a quality sleeping place. Orthopedic mattresses are considered the best for sleep. Older mattresses used Bonnell spring blocks where all springs are interconnected by wire. This creates a wave effect, meaning movement on one side is felt across the mattress. Modern independent spring blocks feature each spring in a separate pocket glued together. This design distributes weight evenly, eliminating the wave effect. To understand modern mattress production, we visited the Armatek factory. If you find this fascinating, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into how everyday items are made. Modern quilting machines stitch intricate patterns on multi-layered covers. Knitted fabrics known for durability and elasticity are primary for orthopedic mattress covers, even for complex shapes. Jacquard and polyester-based fabrics are used for allergy sufferers and children, preventing microorganisms and dust mites. Spunbond, a hypoallergenic material, replaces older fabrics like burlap, offering superior strength. The finished covers are rolled, trimmed to size, and stacked. From the same materials, foam, synthetic padding, and upholstery fabric, strips are cut for the mattress side panels. These are also stitched, rolled, and later cut to specific sizes for assembly. Independent spring blocks are manufactured by machines that coil steel wire into springs. Each spring is then individually wrapped in a non-woven fabric pocket. These pockets are precisely sewn and joined together in a continuous strip, ensuring each spring functions independently. This automated process creates the core of a modern orthopedic mattress. Two workers manually assemble each mattress. Layers are bonded using hot melt adhesive heated to a liquid form. Mattresses consist of multiple layers: foam, coconut coir for firmness, insulating material, and latex for softness and body contouring. The choice of materials like latex or foam impacts the mattress's cost and durability. Once the core is assembled, the mattress cover and side panels are sewn on. In this specialized sewing department, industrial machines use strong double threads to stitch the cover into a complete unit. The mattress is placed on a rotating table, allowing workers to easily turn it for precise stitching on all sides and edges. Hundreds of mattress types are produced, often customized. Finished mattresses are transported via conveyor belts to the packaging area. This automated system efficiently moves the various mattress types through the factory. Mattresses are then compressed and tightly wrapped in plastic film. Many spring and non-spring mattresses are rolled for convenient transport and storage. However, mattresses with rigid coconut coir layers are not rolled, as this could damage or delaminate the material. The factory includes a laboratory where mattresses from various batches undergo rigorous testing. A heavy roller simulates years of use, checking the durability of the fabric and springs for 20,000 to 50,000 cycles. Another machine with convex forms tests the mattress edges for their resistance to repeated sitting. Finished mattresses are sent to the warehouse for distribution to stores across Russia. While I can't recommend a specific mattress for you, specialists at Armatek showrooms can. Now you know how mattresses are made. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment to help us grow.